I'm very happy with this product overall. The quality surprised me at the price point pleasantly. This scabbard is very well made. It fits every long gun I have, including my mid-length R. The only complaint I have is that you need to remove any handguard accessories your rifle might be wearing in order to get a snug fit. I have a flashlight and an angled grip up front. It will fit the rifle decently with this stuff attached, and the grip loop will extend long enough to work. But I want the scabbard to cover the trigger. None of this is a big deal for me, as I'm only looking for a less menacing method to open carry while hiking. Hopefully in a future rendition NC Star gives this scabbard a bigger dimension to accommodate accessories up front. MAL is good spec, and the various D-ring locations allow you to place the shoulder strap in the best spot for you.